Welcome. Today, we'll be exploring the power of automation rules and how they can help your warehouse run more efficiently by eliminating guesswork for your pickers and packers. During this demo, we will cover 3 key steps to creating automation rules that will allow you to find the best available shopping rates, organize your orders, and automate your workflows. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to ensure that your shipping methods are automated so you always find the best available shipping rate per order. Multi-carrier integration and real-time carrier rate shopping will help you save time and money. Importing order tags from your e-commerce platform like Shopify can automate your processes even more. These preset tags can act as triggers for your automations in ShipHero. Let's jump over to automation rules and explore some of our clients' most popular use cases for automation rules that help with consistency across the fulfillment process. VIP customer treatment. Add a gift SKU or marketing insert to their order, give them express shipping, and prioritize their order on the day it needs to be shipped. Pre-sale items. Use automation rules to set an allow partial flag on orders containing SKUs marked for pre-order. Warehouse notes. Add a warehouse note to orders with SKUs that require extra instructions for packaging, particularly useful for fragile items that need special handling. Finally, automate box type selections to streamline the packing process. Here are some key takeaways about using automation rules within the ShipHero software. 1. You can automate key components of your order management workflows to optimize efficiency and reduce human error. 2. You can use automation rules to perfect your customer's unboxing experience. 3. You can continually evaluate and update your automation rules as your business grows and evolves. With automation rules, you can tailor your ShipHero software experience to be exactly what your business needs. If you want to enhance your fulfillment process, remember that the possibilities with automation rules are endless. Unlock the full potential of your fulfillment business and drive your e-commerce business to new heights.